Okay, folks, today I got another DIY's cap and air filter change out. This is the last time change out in 2018, 97,000 miles. Now it's about 112,000 miles. So it's easy, and I'm gonna show you how. Okay, save some money. It works for most car. This one is a Camry. It works for most Asian car. Honda, Corolla, Camry. Yeah, it's all basically it's in behind this glove compartment. Okay, and I'll show you easy step. The dealer one is $60 to change this cap and air filter, but you can do it yourself. Buy one online is about $9, which is this one costs about $9. That one dropped. It's snugly. When you take them off. Gone on the side. The whole compartment is nice and snug. Should be good. And thanks for watching again. Cap and air filter change out for Honda Accord 2007. Same thing the other two cars, the Corolla and the Camry. Okay, but this one does not have a screw. You just take off from this little hook right here, and it came off. Again, you gotta squeeze here, and you gotta squeeze it right here too with both hands. Okay, that way, then it's like that. Squeeze and pull, okay? And then you're all dirty. Okay, everybody. You unscrew and just pop it out, and you squeeze this side. Hard to do one hand. And you squeeze this side. Okay, and you squeeze. Okay, you put a new one back on. Corolla 07. Okay.